Hi guys, it's me from All Day I Dream About Food, and today we're making one of my favorite desserts, my easy chocolate blender mousse. First, I usually measure out half a cup of cream, and you can use almost any non-dairy milk. I really like this hemp milk. You're gonna see it get really decadent now. We put in a quarter cup of butter, and then we're just gonna bring that to a simmer. So after your cream has come to, you pretty much want it to come to a full boil, but don't let it boil over, that wouldn't be good. And then we're just gonna take some chopped unsweetened chocolate. You put it in your blender along with, I use powdered swerve sweetener. It's an all-natural low-carb sweetener, and some cocoa powder. Then you simply put your top on your blender and you give it a go. So you break up your chocolate a little bit more so it melts a little more easily. And so now we're just gonna grab our hot milk, and you really do want this really quite hot. If you don't have it hot enough, your mousse won't set. So see how it's nice and steaming there? Get it right in there. Put your top back on. I always like to cover it with a cloth so that if it does splatter, I don't get burned. And blend it up again until it's nice and smooth. Now, while it's still hot, you quickly want to add 2 eggs and blend it up again. It doesn't take very long. And now we've got a nice thick chocolate mousse mixture. So I usually portion it into four, ooh, that's coming out fast. 4 servings, but it could actually be, it's so rich, it could almost be 6. Sometimes it needs a little help coming out of the blender. And you don't want to leave any of it behind in here. See how it's like chocolate pudding already? It's perfect. And then you can maybe, if they're good, you can give your kids a spatula and the blender afterwards and let them go to town on it. And then you're just gonna put them away in the fridge to chill for about 1 hour. And now, after an hour in the fridge, the mousse is done. It's ready to go. It's ready to be eaten. I like to gild the lily and put a little extra cream on top, whipped cream, just lightly sweetened. And if you're serving these to people, that looks really great with a little grated chocolate on top. Just using a cheese grater and some dark chocolate, and you can just grate it right over top. And then you can pick the little chocolate bits up and eat those. I always do that. Actually, it looks kind of pretty with all the little bits of chocolate on the tray. And just gonna take my spoon and dig in, and it's perfect. Nice, rich, thick chocolate mousse, and it took me a few minutes to whip up. So good, so rich. I'm definitely not sharing these ones with my kids. For the full recipe, please visit alldayidreamaboutfood.com.